Hi, and welcome to Talking Tech. I'm your host, Alejandro Hoyos, and today we are in Las Vegas live at CES at the Intel booth. And today we have with us Malhar. Hey Malhar, how's it going?
Pretty good. How are you?
Doing great, thank you very much. So what do we have here? What are we looking at?
Yeah, so we're looking at Intel Conversational AI platform that runs on Intel's latest Core Ultra-based AI PC. So this is a employee assist chatbot. So if your employees have any queries, then they don't need to go get assistance from a human. You can just type in your query on this terminal and you'll get the responses directly from this. Basically, everything is running at the edge. The whole experience is running at the edge. There is no cloud or hybrid engagement over here.
Yeah. Okay, so this is, for example, for someone who's opening a franchise for a specific restaurant, right? And they want to train their personnel. You can actually bring this and this will help them teach, or if they have any questions regarding what they're being trained, they can actually go in the query and look for it.
Exactly. So the new employees, the biggest problem they have is getting familiar with the brand policies, and a lot of the times they're not feeling comfortable going constantly asking for help from others. And this is where this plays a critical role. So you just have a terminal and you have this employee assist chatbot solution loaded on it and give access to the new employee. And they can just ask any queries that they have, and this will help them get the response.
Nice. So the assistance is pretty much a large language model, right? That is running on, right now is running on a Meteor Lake laptop on an Intel Arc Ultra.
Yeah, absolutely. So this whole solution is built on a 7.5 billion parameter large language model, which is completely hosted on this PC only. And on top of that, basically each brand will have their own specific brand policies. So that brand policy is actually overlaid on top of the large language models. So large language model will help you with general queries, but if there are brand specific queries, then this brand specific manual that has been overlaid on the LLM will help you get the responses.
Oh, that's pretty cool. So yeah, we'll take it for a spin. Let's ask them some questions.
Sure. So let's say employees actually talking to a customer, and the general manager or a customer asks them what's a seasonal offering. So now a new employee is not really familiar with the offerings at the branch. So we can just he or she can just type a query. What is the LTO? And this one. So LTO is limited time offering, and it's saying it's the winter wellness ball.
Oh, nice.
Now the customer might have a specific requirements, and if there is somebody who is very health conscious like you and they want to know the calories, then you can get there's nutritional information also over here. So you can ask the same query and you'll get the details of the nutritions. Yeah,
that's great. And I also hear that since this is running one system, you can actually grow or expand it pretty quickly, deploy it to more, right?
Absolutely. So in addition to easily scalable, it also takes care of the privacy, because like I said, everything is running at the edge on this terminal. So if somebody has privacy issues, they are also taken care of, because in a hybrid environment, a lot of the information gets offloaded into the cloud, right? Whereas here, everything is running off of the edge.
So this is running on the Intel Core Ultra, which is also known as Meteor Lake, and it's running on the GPU, on the graphics side, right?
Absolutely. So the good thing about it is it's currently running on graphics. It can also run on the Core Ultra processor. And it's basically optimized using Intel's OpenVINO inference framework. And we are using the 7.5 billion parameter Intel optimized LLM from Hugging Face.
Oh, nice. All right, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you very much. Thanks for your time.